episode 4 of 0 to a Million, where I am taking a business from 0 to a million. If you haven't seen the first 3 episodes, go check them out. So far, we've made hundreds of phone calls. We've looked at dozens of properties. We are out there talking to people. We got conversations, and we are well on our way. Today is Monday, October 5th. I've been spending the last few hours looking at for sale by owner properties, looking at what we should offer on it, what we could sell it for, running the numbers, and I've put all of that into a spreadsheet, and now I'm about to start calling them. What's great about this is that we can see the condition of these properties before we even give them a call. We know they want to sell, we know what the property looks like, we know what the condition is, and so we could simply do this, and if we do it 1, 2, 300 times, we might actually get a deal.
Please leave your message. The Google subscriber you have called is not available. Your call has been forwarded to an Please leave your message. Please leave your message. Sorry, mailbox is full. I am returning a phone call.
If I were to fix it up, what do you think I would be able to sell it for if I wanted to?
Between $465 and $475.
I had the number closer to like 420, 430. I know you said probably closer to 460.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Square footage on your house is 1592, right? So the one that sold, yeah, the 445 was 1864. So that's why I put it a little lower than that. It would be like closer to that 420, 430 number. From what I see, it probably needs like a new kitchen, new bathrooms, right? Things like that. Probably like 40, 50 grand, right? Yeah. So if I did that, after, you know, profit and everything like that, I'm around like that 275 number, something like that. Does that sound like?
Excuse me? You're telling me you want to pay $275? Because that is absolutely out of the question.
I'm trying to be very systematic about it, you know, so that you just understand.
Yeah, and you make sense.
See, this is what happens. So the peasants get all offended, you know, you throw out a number that's low and they're just like, because they're all emotionally attached to the property. They don't understand. It's just business. I don't give a shit. I'm just walking you through the numbers. We just need to find some people that are really motivated to sell, and once that happens, then I can start using my sales juju on them. But part of having sales juju is knowing that it can only be used on people that have a high level of interest in the first place. If you're gay and you're trying to fuck a straight guy, I don't care how good at sales you are, you ain't gonna do it. Probably. But for real, that's it. We're looking for people in which they have a problem that we can solve. I'm gonna go get some rest and we're gonna get back to it tomorrow. All right, guys, it is Tuesday. I just worked out. I went for a little walk. I got a smoothie. I took a shower, and now I'm ready to roll. We're right back on the grind. We're gonna reach out to a couple for sale by owners. I've got 100 people left to text blast on the current list that I'm using. At this point, a lot of people could start doubting themselves as to whether what they're doing is right or if it's gonna work or if it's gonna happen. But this is the part where we really need to focus. Most people have a habit of self-sabotage where they would give up at this point, start a new project, and then they'd end up giving up again. And they would continue to give up and self-sabotage themselves so that they can maintain a victim mentality. We're not doing that. We're not victims. We just gotta keep going. I have 2 main goals for today. I wanna send out 300 cold text blasts, and I wanna contact between 10 and 15 for sale by owners. I've got about 2 or 3 hours right now, so if I can get all that done right now, that would be a win. So we've run into a slight issue. Our text marketing software is not working right now. I am chatting with the customer support guy, trying to get it fixed. I'm not gonna make you sit here through the whole thing, but I figured I'd let you know that businesses go through things. There's a problem. I was not expecting this, but shit happens. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. The guy still hasn't responded, so we're gonna still work on the for sale by owners, and hopefully in the next few minutes, this guy will get back to me. But I don't wanna waste any more time. You gotta be useful with your time. When shit goes wrong, figure out ways to get it fixed, but to not let it stop you. We got plenty of other things that we gotta work on. Hey, what's going on? I was calling about a house I saw on Zillow. Are you negotiable on the price at all? I see the inside. It looks like it needs a little bit of work.
Yeah, I've been working on the inside, so I'm almost done with it. I'm just getting ready to raise the price, I think.
To raise it?
Yep.
Okay, it sounds like you're gonna go the retail route, so my offer would probably, you know, not fit where you're looking to be, I don't think.
Okay.
We're gonna keep doing this! Some person is gonna tell us what we wanna hear. They're gonna say, I need to get the fuck out of this house. I don't care what you offer me. And I'm gonna lock down the contract, and we're gonna make some money. I've had 100 of those conversations. Most people are just listing their house because they're fucking bored one day. But someone's gonna list it with intent. They're gonna say, I gotta move. I don't wanna take care of it anymore. This house has been a nightmare. It's giving me a headache. I can't afford it. And I'm gonna fucking come in and I'm gonna fucking make the money. All right, so the customer support guy finally got back to me. He said that they're experiencing issues, whatever. I should get an email. Great. It's fucking lovely. So by the way, guys, I want to introduce you to my maximum offer calculator. This thing is freaking awesome. It's very easy to use. You only have to know 2 pieces of information. The first is what can I sell the property for when it's done? For this house, it would be $320,000. And then what do I need to repair it? So in this case, it was about $30,000. It's gonna tell me what my closing costs are, and then it's gonna give me a range of where my offer should be. So on the low end, I will make the most money if I can get it around that $185,000, $190,000 range. And on the max, I can't really go higher than $210,000, $215,000. Not only that, but it also will show me what my profit would be depending on the price I get it at, right? So if I were to get it at around $215,000, I'd be making around $50,000 total. And if I got it on the low end, it could be as much as $80,000. This thing is super helpful. It allows me to look at properties super quickly, and it's speeding up the process a lot, I gotta tell you. So you can see what I'm doing in these episodes is I'm first establishing a process, and now I'm working to optimize that process so that I can get the most done in the least amount of time. We started out making cold calls, getting to 20 to 30 people an hour. Now we're doing text blasts where we don't have to talk to anyone. They come to us, we do 100 people in a second, and then I can analyze those deals in just minutes. So you can kind of see how the business is starting to come together. I created a whole funnel process where we reach out to people, find out who's interested in selling, analyze their deal, find out what we need to sell it for, and then try to get it under contract. And I'm trying to get to the deepest point in the funnel as quickly as possible. So not only are we building highly efficient and effective systems, but we're also making this in a scalable way where we can hire people and have them do it for us so that we can take on more leads at one time. So look, make sure to subscribe to episode 5 where I'm going to send out 10 text blasts. That's 1,000 people, 100 people per text blast. We are going to get a shit ton of leads, a shit ton of conversations from that, and hopefully we can get our first deal. We are very close. We just have to keep pounding the vibrations. When I say pounding the vibrations, it means we need to keep talking to people, looking at deals, stay active, and by doing that, eventually we're gonna get what we want, because you can't get what you want if you don't go for it. You can't get laid if you don't talk to girls. You can't get abs if you don't go to the gym. And you can't make money unless you go for the fucking bag. So that's what we're doing. We're going for the bag. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and I will see you in episode 5. Peace out.